Hey everybody, this is Rick from Hernandez.io coming at you with another video. And in this one, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get clean audio from any recording you've done in the past or in your near future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Why might you want to get clean audio? This is a question that you have to ask yourself, why specifically you want to do this. So let's say, for example, if you want to create an audio book, if you want to create YouTube videos, if you want to create Instagram stories, if you want to go ahead and create any sort of type of audio recording that you're going to be sharing with everybody else outside in the world, it's of crucial importance that you go ahead and create an audio that can be heard by the audience that's going to be listening to it. This is even more important, far more important than the actual video. A lot of people tend to get bogged down into like, what's the best camera? Is it a DSLR camera? Should I be using this camera? Should I be using that camera? There's all kinds of different options out there for cameras, but I think something more important than the video itself is strictly audio. What kind of audio are you capturing? Is the audio clean? Can you understand the audio? And most importantly, is there background noise? That whole entire spectrum that goes with audio itself. Now, I can't spend 20 minutes here talking about the history of audio, how you should be thinking about audio, all of that fun stuff. I can't really do all that. What I'm going to be here is giving you some guidance as far as how to actually create clean audio with the tools that you currently have. So you don't have to go out there and invest in, a $500 microphone or a $700 microphone or get all this hardware that you don't really know how to use. I want you just to understand that audio itself can be made great with the tools you have already, whether it be a cell phone, a lapel microphone, your headset, whatever it might be, whatever type of audio. What I'm about to show you works with a $10 microphone or a $10,000 microphone. So just keep that in mind. The knowledge you're about to learn right now can be carried over between your starting microphone to your most expensive microphone. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to be sharing with you how to get this clean audio from any recording. There's a couple of tools you can use out there to go ahead and create this clean audio. Adobe has some tools. Premiere has some tools inside of it as well. But I want to go ahead and share with you a tool that's available both on Windows, OS X, and Linux. So whichever kind of machine you're on, you'll be able to access the entire. Audacity is a free tool, so let's go over here and just download this tool so you can actually see what it looks like. And again, for Windows, OS X, or Linux, I'm just going to download what you want to hear for my Mac, and then I'm going to download this file here. Now, this tool right here, Audacity, allows you to do a couple of things. Let me go back to that link. It allows you to be able to obviously do the recording itself, import and export files, improve the quality, which is what we're talking about today. There's plugins for more advanced users, editing the audio, removing parts, adding parts, that type of thing. You can do that within Audacity. You also have effects, accessibility, and then analysis of the audio itself. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. And I'm just going to grab it, drag it over to applications. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up the program itself, Audacity. And then here's the program. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and import an audio clip that I have. And I'm going to be running through this process here, which is called CENN. CENN, CENN. So if all you take away from this video is this acronym can be carried over from any tool that you use, whether it be Audacity, Premiere, whatever other tool you end up going with. If you can remember this pattern here, you'll be able to use any of those tools. So the pattern is CENN. And what this means is compressing the audio, equalizing the audio, removing any noise removals, and then normalizing the audio itself. Again, the acronym is CENN, C-E-N-N, CENN. So if you just take that away from this video, pretty much you've gotten the value of how to actually get clean audio from any audio recording. Let's get into it. I'm going to go into Audacity here, and I'm going to go ahead and import a file by going File, Import Audio. You're going to do Shift Command I, and I have this video here. I'm going to go ahead and import it there. Then it's going to go ahead and import the actual wave sound of that video. So I'm going to head over to Effect, compressor, and then you can see these settings here. So what we're going for is 15, 40, 2 to the 1, 20, and 1. Again, don't worry so much about what these numbers mean. Think about it a lot like electricity. When you go turn your light on, you don't really care how the electricity got to your house, right? You just turn the light on and you can use the light. Kind of take the same philosophy to this. Don't worry so much about the actual numbers here. What I want you to do is just simply put the numbers in and then be able to click OK. Then it's going to run that through the compressor, and it's going to do what the compressor does to the audio. The next step here is Equalize. And then for equalization, you have two options that I typically like to use. I like to use the bass boost and the treble boost. And these help your audio to, one, become a little bit more clear, and two, become a little bit more easy to digest for the listener. So again, I'm going to go to Effects, Equalization, and we do treble boost. And then once again, Effect, Equalization, and we're going to do bass boost. And then we have here under we did the bass boost already. We did the equalization as well. So the next part is going to be here to remove any noise by doing a noise profile with the noise reduction. So we're going to go here, right here. If I click play, you should be able to hear this is just dead sound. Put my headphones on. Yeah, this is just dead sound. Yeah, it's dead sound. So I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into here, effect, noise reduction, get that noise profile, effect, noise reduction, click OK, and it's going to go ahead and grab that noise, remove it from the entire track, and be able to remove it. And again, when you select it here, you go to effect, noise reduction, get that noise profile, Command A to select the entire track, effect, noise reduction, click OK. And that goes ahead and removes all that noise. So this is great for removing background noise, hissing noise, any type of noise that you're capturing from the outside. This is a great place to go in there and actually remove it. And if you have like hard clips like here, you should hear that's when the microphone turned off. So you can just go into here and just simply be like, you know what, I don't want that. Remove it. Goes ahead and removes that part. So now it's like this. That was a sound. And then there was another sound of me talking. So I don't like either of those. So boom, just removal. Again, you just do that by selecting and doing Command X to remove that clip from the audio itself. So let's hear this. So again, that was, again, my lips. So I'm going to go into here. Boom, done. Okay, so we did the noise reduction. And then finally, the last part is to normalize. So I'm going to go Effect, Normalize. I'm going to select it all. Effect, Normalize. Here it is. I'm going to click OK. And then again, you want to go between -1 to 1. So I'm going to do -1.0. There we go. Click OK. And there it is. So now the last part left here is just simply going File, Export Audio, and then naming your clip. Say Clean Audio. This, and clicking OK. And that's going to go ahead and export out the audio. So now that you have the clean audio, you can go ahead and take it wherever you want to go. Wherever you want to go ahead and take the actual clip itself to be able to reuse wherever you want to use it. You'll be able to use it there. But that's going to go ahead and do it here for this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure you click the like button below. Make sure you click subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time.